Welcome back, viewers. This is T. Mageshwari, Assistant Professor of English, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Vattanjatram, Dindigul District, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to see about Macbeth. Macbeth is written by William Shakespeare. It is one of the great tragedy by William Shakespeare. Now we turn over to the characters in Macbeth. Macbeth is King Duncan's general. He defeats Duncan's enemies. Next character, Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is ambitious woman. She is affected by somnambulism disease. Banquo, he is one of the general in Duncan's kingdom. He is murdered by Macbeth. Next, Fleance. He is son of Banquo. Fleance escaped to Wales. Duncan. He is the king of Scotland and he is murdered by Macbeth. Next one is Malcolm. He is the eldest son of King Duncan. Flees to England. Malcolm moves with the help of English army. He becomes the king of Scotland. Next one is Macduff. Macduff is the general. He is a Caesarean baby. At last he killed Macbeth. We see the summary of Macbeth. Macbeth is King Duncan's general. He defeats Duncan's enemies and on his way back home with his Lieutenant Banquo meets three witches who predict that Macbeth will be made the Thane of Cawdor and will finally become the King of Scotland. On his way back, he met three witches. First witch said that Thane of Glamis, second witch said that Thane of Cawdor, and the third witch said that the King of Scotland. The prediction of the witches partially comes true, as King Duncan, pleased with Macbeth's valour, promotes him to the position of the Thane of Cawdor. Duncan is invited by Macbeth to spend the night in his castle. Duncan arrives at Macbeth's castle with his sons Malcolm and Donalbain, and noblemen like Banquo, Lennox, Macduff, Ross, and Angus. Duncan prizes the pleasant air of the castle. Lady Macbeth welcomes him warmly and thanks him for the honours bestowed on her husband. King Duncan, delighted, promises to bestow more honours on Macbeth. The time is favourable to Macbeth. Now, Lady Macbeth proposes to help her husband by drugging the guards of the king's bedchamber and making them fall asleep. The guards will be asleep. The king also will be in deep sleep from the strain of his journey. So they can easily kill the king and put the blame on the servants. To save himself, Macbeth murders the guards also. Duncan's elder son flees to England to defend himself. The witches have predicted that Banquo's descendants will become the future rulers of Scotland. So, Macbeth suspects Banquo and has him also murdered. Macbeth is now made King of Scotland at the banquet arranged to felicitate him. Macbeth sees the ghost of Banquo, which is, however, invisible to others. The ghost is a hallucination produced by Macbeth's fever imagination. Macbeth wants to murder Macduff also, but the latter escaped to England and joined hands with Malcolm there. Now Lady Macbeth, wrung by her guilty conscience, betrays her involvement in her husband's crime during her sleepwalking. The Lady Macbeth, considered to be the fourth witch, suffered from somnambulism and committed suicide. Life is a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Macbeth, he says this when he hears the death news of Lady Macbeth. Macbeth consults with the three witches again. They assure him that he will die only when the Birnam Woods comes to Dunsians. They also tell him that he cannot be defeated by any man born of a woman. Malcolm and Macduff leave England and invade Scotland with their army. They are in Birnam Wood, emboldened by the witch's prophecy. Macbeth thinks that he is quite safe as Birnam Wood can never move to Dungeons. But instructed by Malcolm, his soldiers move forward, covering themselves with the branches of trees. The illusion of a moving forest is created. Hearing about this, Macbeth is still hopeful of winning, as according to the witches, no man born of a woman can defeat him. Macduff challenges him to a single combat. Now Macduff was not born in a normal manner. He was ripped from his mother's womb prematurely. Macduff beheads Macbeth. Malcolm is crowned King of Scotland. Macbeth is one of the most popular plays by Shakespeare. It has all elements that make a play popular, such as its sensationalism and melodramatic nature. However, much fat is powerful. The life of the hero of Shakespearean tragedy is governed by his own character. His character is his destiny. Macbeth's fall is brought about by the flaws in his character and not by the fate. Thank you all.